I cannot wait to tell you about these lenses. Miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. I'm super excited to tell you all about these lenses. These are the Elite Lenses Diamond Collection Shallow Diamond Lenses in the color Amber. Here you are, and I hope you enjoy. So let me know in the comment section down below, which lighting did you like them in? Did you like them in artificial lighting, room lighting, or natural lighting? I absolutely love these lenses from the moment that I put them on. Check out Elite Lenses. In the description box down below, I put a link and I will put it up on the screen right here. Check them out. Check out their lenses. Their lenses so far are fantastic. I absolutely love the blend. I absolutely love how soft they feel. I cannot say enough good things about the lenses. The only thing I do not like about these lenses is the price. The price is not really affordable. They are $65 lenses. They do last the entire year from when you open them, but they do cost a bit. They are very, very pricey. I've heard about these lenses for a while now. A few of you actually recommended that I purchase these lenses because you had these lenses in different colors and you absolutely said the lenses were the best. So I was super excited to try them. They were on my to get list for a while. Like I have like a little wish list for color contact lenses. Do you have a wish list for color contact lenses? Let me know in the comment section down below what other kinds of lenses or companies I should try. I am working with a new company. I'm going to be showing you all once I get the lenses that they've sent me. I'm partnering with them and I'm going to be showing you how those lenses look, so I'm super excited. I purchased these with my own money based on recommendations from you all, and I love these lenses. I just might purchase another pair, you guys. This amber colored lens is so seamless. I cannot even stress that enough. When I put it on, I couldn't even tell that I was wearing lenses. If I had to compare them to lenses that I've already reviewed or own, I think I would compare these a lot to the Color CL Siesta Weekly Shades Green lenses in the color green. I think these and those lenses are very, very similar. I would also probably compare them to the Twink Lens Macaroon colored lenses in the color green. I've reviewed those on my channel. Those are more of a newer contact lens brand. And the finish is almost the same. Like, you can't even tell that you are wearing lenses. You put them in your eye and you're like, wait, do I have lenses on? That's a finish that I absolutely love. The finish that you can't tell someone is wearing lenses because they look so undetectable. That's exactly what you get from these lenses. I couldn't even tell that I had them on. I showed my husband, I was like, honey, what do you think about my new lenses? And he said, you're wearing lenses? And he got so up close to me and he still couldn't tell that I was wearing color contact lenses. So these are very, very undetectable. I feel like with room lighting, you could see more of a green tint to them, but I think with natural lighting, that's where like the amber yellow kind of comes in. I think it blends really, really well if you have light eyes or dark eyes, I'm gonna say. If you have dark eyes and you have any of these lenses from the Elite collection, let me know in the comment section down below. It would be great for those who have dark eyes to read your comment, hopefully, and then know how it would work if they have dark eyes. But I think these lenses would work if you have light eyes or dark eyes, but I could be wrong. I'm not sure, but just let me know in the comment section down below. And I cannot say enough good things about these lenses. I've been wearing them for the past 2 days. They feel so comfortable. They're very, very soft. I don't have any, like, they're not uncomfortable in any kind of way, shape, or form. I love how they look, especially with artificial lighting. I feel like you can really see the amber and the yellow and a pinch of the green mixed. I didn't know what the color would look like or be like since I've never purchased lenses from this company before, Elite Lenses. So I was kind of like, which one should I get on their website? They have so many good lenses in the diamond collection. I'm gonna definitely get another pair. Let me know in the comment section down below which other pair I should get from them. I wanna get more of a like brown color. I think they had a pair on their website, but I'm gonna double check and maybe put it up right here, the lenses that I think I saw that I really wanna try next. And let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think about these lenses? Are you interested in them? I know the price is a bit of a con. When I saw the price, I was like, oh, man, I wish they were a bit more affordable, but I absolutely love them. I cannot say enough good things about them. I cannot wait to see how they look in bright natural sunlight. I'm gonna update you guys either on my community tab or on Instagram, so make sure you're following me there. And I do Instagram stories a lot, so make sure you check out my stories and see how the lenses look as soon as I see how they look in natural sunlight. You know, if the sun wants to come out any day here in New York City. Hopefully soon it comes out. And I absolutely love these lenses. I cannot say enough good things about them. They're super comfortable. You can wear them for, I would say, about 6 to 7 hours and you shouldn't have any problems. I do suffer from year-round allergies, so I do carry drops with me to help refresh my eyes, and I absolutely love them. The lens itself is so thin and very comfortable, which I love in color contact lenses. I love when the lens itself is actually very thin. It makes it more comfortable and more wearable, especially for me. And the pupil hole, it's almost like what pupil hole? I feel like it blends so well with your eyes. You pretty much can't even tell that you're wearing lenses, as I continuously mentioned throughout this video. I love these lenses. I will definitely be checking out more lenses from them and from other brands. So definitely let me know in the comment section down below which other ones I should check out. Thank you all so much for watching. I can't thank you enough. Thank you for anytime you use a coupon code or anytime you try out any lenses based on my recommendation. It really does mean a lot to me and I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out and our channel grow. And if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me and my brand, then make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified when I upload. I'm uploading 2 days a week, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I might give an additional video as well throughout the week. Thank you all. Don't forget to check out the description box. That is where I put all of the links, including the links to these color contacts that I'm wearing and more information about the lenses in the description box down below. Thank you, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye, guys.